indexing status and keep track of things. One of the things, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your domain/sitemap.xml. And that's how I discovered the client, the one I was talking about in my social media posts. We went to go check Search Console, and then a lot of other stuff wasn't working. But this video is going to be about sitemaps. So what I have here is I use RankMath for my SEO plugin. We have 3 different sets. There's 3 different sitemaps that actually report to 2 of them report to Google. Post sitemap is the one we want to worry about because that's the blog post, the content. So what I did is I took all of these and I copied and pasted them into this worksheet. And every other day when I'm waiting for a meeting or I'm waiting for something to get done or waiting for something to process, I will go grab and check several. I have the URL. Actually, we can delete that column because it doesn't need to be there. Last modified, but that's just coming from this. So I use it to sort. But what I'm going to want to look for is my status. So what I will do is I will copy, come to Google Search Console, inspect any URL, and hit enter. And I'll just look, okay, URL is on Google. That means it's indexed. And I change it. And I just go down the row. URL is not as Google. Page is not indexed and URL is unknown. Now this is why I'm here. I'm going to click request indexing. That'll take a minute. Stay on the page. You can do other things, but don't click outside of this, otherwise it'll stop it. Which is funny because all right, index is requested. We're going to move on the next down the road. URL is not on Google, is not indexed. Discovered, currently not indexed. We're going to hit request indexing. That's right, I need to update this. My drop downs have not been updated. And when you're done, I will actually share this as a template. Oh, son of a bitch. I just overwrote my settings. Yeah. Oh, that's right. This is not the final version. I will share the correct and final version. That has been requested. Hit that one. Actually, that was the one I was just on. We're going to go down the road. And that is how I manage and keep an eye on what's going on with my content. Then in this page, I also have a quick report that'll show me the status. The one you get will actually be the final production one that I send to my clients. But that's how I do. That's what I do, basically. And last I remember, sorry, I spaced out of there. The last I remember, you could do 20 a day, and you could do request 20 a day, and you could check up to 100 a day. But yep, so that's what I'll do here. I'll just go down the line. I'll check 20, and that's what I'll do. Next, we're going to go over Google. I know I just did a Google Analytics video, but I think it's important enough to do a refresher, and they made some changes since that last video.